Well, here's a view of the farm from our barn. And now let's walk into the honey house, if you will. This is where we have our extractor and our uncapping equipment and dishwasher and everything that we use to clean up and process honey and also bottle it up. Those are our bottling tanks and cabinet where we store our jars after they've been washed and cleaned. And then some beekeeping photographs that we have that we use for some of the classes that we put on. This is all built into the corner of our barn. And you can see out there is my workshop where I put together and build all of the boxes and frames and whatnot.